Good morning, ladies and gents. We have news today. Market's about to open. Let's see what we got in store. Looks like buyers may try and step in. Write it up to the highs. I want to see if we can maybe sweep overnight lows, if anything. If not, they'll pop it here and then take it up because we do have a value area low. Stochastic RSI is in my buyer zone. They could run this up right now, right out the open.
Hey Jay, just an FYI, the government data not coming out today.
No, oh, because shut down?
Government shut down, so there was no non-farm payroll, no nothing, no mortgage rates, nothing. So they're not releasing any data because there's nobody working to release it.
Interesting. Interesting.
Oh, good morning. Good morning.
Morning. Good shit last night, Josh or Jonathan.
What's
I
that?
woke up with the meanest hangover ever. God damn it. I'll start sharing my screen in a bit. I'm just setting everything up.
Copy that. Yeah, they're popping this right off the bat.
Oh, fuck.
Holy shit, FSO. Let's go. It's a nice pump so far, though. It's a pretty good pump. That's crazy. So as long as the government stays shut down, they're not putting out data.
Nope. Nope.
Morning,
No.
Josh. Morning, Josh. Morning, everybody on the live. Welcome in. The last lives, again, this is my third live, so I'm just getting used to everything. So I'm not rushing into any trades as of now. I'm just really watching the market, seeing what the market's doing.
I like to give it 15 minutes Shoot.
Bro, plug and FSO went crazy. Are they still trying to pump this thing? All right, they're still pumping. They're still pumping this market right now. We're probably going to touch 67.84 and then stall it out before trying to pump it higher probably. I think we triggered a daily 2 up as well. So yeah, we triggered a daily 2 up. So my bias as for now is bullish. So on any dips, I'll be looking to grab some longs. Just watching this FSO go nicely.
Or do you think ES goes to 6,800 today?
I think so, honestly. If they hold 80s, for sure. Like, I can see it. Oh, nice pump. They're holding it up. If they hold it above this 80, we could probably go. It's gonna be scary though, because I'm gonna want a pullback, but I doubt I'd get the one that I'm looking for. But yeah, my bias for today is bullish.
I think I'm gonna get in a trade early here.
Appreciate that, anyone. You said what, Jonathan?
I'm gonna enter some MNQ longs here.
I'll trail those with you. I don't mind. I do like how MNQ is setting up.
shit, it's moving without me.
I know.
I'm
shouldn't-
putting stop losses under the 5-minute. So 25130. I'm buying 5 of them. And then my take profit is 25120. 25200.
Oh my goodness, F-Cell. Jesus Christ. So for those on a stream, I'm also trading futures, but I'm trading shares as well, so.
Yeah, it's because I see ES going to 6,800. So I think the MQ is just gonna trail with it.
Let's see what it does. NQ is definitely lagging slightly. Just ever so slightly. But yeah, they're gonna...
And then this trade alone will put us over the 3,000 for the
Good
compound.
shit. Good shit. How many are you running? 1 or 2? Or 3?
Just one.
Alright. Because I seen what you put out, so... I agree with that statement.
Let me switch this over to NQ.
There we go. Big squeeze right now.
Don't do this again. MNQ.
Equity. And Q's pretty volatile. It's lagging compared to ES. Oh.
Oh shit.
The fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
That's called we've gone up too fast. And we're gonna blow it off a little.
What the fuck was that?
I thought you were asleep.
See what happened to ES.
Yeah, let's see.
Damn. It's all good.
I don't know what they're doing right now, but it's weird. Everything is still holding, but it's just weird. Like, do they want to break this out now, or? Oh my god, F cell. It's about to break 10. No way. Oh, yep, they're pumping. And Q's gonna pump.
Yeah, I know. But...
This is weird price action. I'll say that much. Very weird price action.
Yeah, I already got proven today that I should follow my 15-minute rule.
Definitely.
But I'm just gonna wait it out.
I always say, like, I let the market breathe when it opens. Just figure out what it wants to do. Bro, gold really did me dirty. Gold did us dirty yesterday. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Did me dirty.
Dang.
Well, now it's time for me to look for my next setup to take, because F cell is about to run. They're running this. Oh, yep, there it is. 1K from F cell. Boom. And no, niggas don't want to trade shares? Come on, guys. There's no way. There it is. 1K. 1K. It's actually kind of comical. I don't want to say shit, but should I go on a little rant, John? Nah, cause like, if new traders step into the market, this is gonna be kind of off topic from future trading, but if new traders step into the market and can really focus on trading shares, like developing a strategy and use shares to do it, oh my god, what? They'll be good starting off. I think where a lot of traders fuck up is they start off, you know, trying to trade options and like they get burned because they don't understand the Greeks and everything. But if they just develop a system and just trade equity and give themselves the time to let the market, you know, do its thing and play out, I'm sure they'll see a lot more success, because I'm sure a lot of traders, like, they'll predict the move, take it with options, and then either get fucked on the options or the options are probably worthless, and then what happens after their move just goes like crazy, right? So if you just take the same approach with shares, you're good. But a lot of them shy away from it because they don't have the equity to do so. But you don't need too much equity. Just need to know what it take.
Yeah, I definitely think options has that added scareness because of the delta, not the delta, but the Greeks.
We're probably gonna pull back now here on ES soon because we've already just tapped the value area high. So either if they don't hold it above 85, we could pull back, potentially get an entry, or, but if they do break it above 85, this thing is gonna just run. Again, I'm still bullish. I'm not bearish one bit. Still bullish. I think I found our next play.
What is it?
Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're pumping this thing like crazy right now. Big fucking pump. Yeah, we're going to 6,800, bro. They're gonna do it. They're gonna send it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to grab an entry.
It's gonna send. And I have another fucking play loading too for equities.
my account sitting at? Okay. Looks like NQ's having a hard time here, so I need to see if that's gonna stop ES at all-time highs. Right, we are at all-time highs. Let me check. Yeah.
Sitting on my hands, sitting on my hands, sitting on my hands, sitting on my hands. Oh my goodness.
We have 3 minutes to see what's going on here. These 15 minutes on NQ look bearish, but SPY doesn't look that bad. Or ES, I'm saying.
I'm gonna get out of this 1K.
It did reject the highs, so ES might be lagging. It's really trying to figure out who's lagging. Is it NQ or is it ES? I do think it's NQ.
I'm gonna be patient because last time they swept this thing out of nowhere, even though it looked like it wanted to hold a little bit higher. So I'm gonna wait and see. Because NQ is fucking bleeding the bed. And ES is just trying to hold.
Yeah. I don't mind grabbing around where we grabbed it last time to have a confirmation. In 2 minutes we'll know. So
Fendi.
I'm gonna just give it to the hourly close.
I'm gonna go walk a couple of miles right now. My heart is like fucking beating on my chest right now, Jay.
Is it because you're trying to get into a position or what?
No, I just made up my losses from yesterday. 'cause of this
You're
week
a
now.
madman, Mo. A madman.
Bro, the LA Rams fucked me yesterday, bro. All these niggas had to do was get one fucking yard. You can't get 1 yard, bro. I'm about to send this to you, and I'm leaving the house for a walk, bro. Check your deal.
All right, give me a sec. Give me a sec. I need to do some math real quick. What is this? What is this?
And I hit all my price, my PTs there.
I need. Oh my jeez. Just waiting on ES and NQ to finally continue pulling back.
Wow.
What
can't
the
even
hell?
complain. I can't even complain, bro.
It is what it
I
is.
can't complain.
Now send it to me. I feel left out, man.
Oh, I got you, John. When was the last time I texted you? Oh yeah, when you wanted me to join your other Discord.
Oh my god.
Nah, just trolling. You know I'm loyal to Jay. I won't pay anyone besides him. If I would have held that again, bro, those went to 88.
No way. From what? 2?
85 actually. So I had cons from 45.90, and I sold at 64.10.
It's not bad.
If I would have held to that, bro, that would have been another like 10K right there. But I'm up 500 for the day. I was down because of the LA games, and I played the Boston game, 6.7, bro, last night.
It's not bad.
I was pumping when it hit all-time highs again, and I saw it do that. I was like, no, Lord, don't take me like this. I said, Lord, don't take me like this.
It's so hard to get a fucking double test of this fucking level.
If we don't find a long entry, I don't know what I'm looking for, guys. So it's gonna be a little bit hard there.
I think we should I'm gonna just wait it out a little bit more because I think will get us set up to develop. Right now, it's just all over the place. It's hard to get a read. Whenever it's hard to get a read and I can't figure out what direction I want to take, whether it's long or shorts, I just sit out. Because we'll see something develop. Something will set up.
Yeah, I see an entry for ES, but I really want to see NQ hold right here.
I just set my NQ chart. To be honest, it's looking very weird right now at the 2500 place.
Bro, our next play is about to be crazy.
I'm gonna join you on the equity end as well.
Now, this one, you might join me on this one. Watch. Just wait. You're going to see the flow right now.
Yeah, FSL, bro. Yeah, I was a little bit worried about energy because of like the new administration and shit like that.
Yeah, but these companies that I'm particularly like tapping, they're like AI. They're like introducing AI into their stuff and everything like that. So taking advantage of all that. Bro, this bounce is pretty nice, but ES is bouncing too early. I'm still waiting.
I'm fine with it. I think I'm gonna grab a ES long.
If I do play longs here, I would have to play light because I would have to know that they're gonna pull this back a little bit more. So I'm just gonna still wait it out. Still waiting, ladies and gents.
Okay, I'm getting ES longs. My stop loss is 65 and my take profit is 95. I'm gonna trail it as soon as the 5-minute closes under the previous wick. I said 95, but I'm honestly gonna close as soon as the account closes over 53.
That's smart.
Once it closes over 3,000, I'm gonna close it, which is closer to that 95. You could take this to 5,800 once we break these highs. So just do as you please afterwards. If it plays out like I want to, then yeah, I easily take it. So 58. I am watching the way NQ is, so if NQ keeps dropping, then I'm just gonna close it immediately here. We need NQ to hold that previous 5 minute. I don't want one section of the market just having a falling knife. That just means ES is lagging.
Just an FYI, we got a little bit of a rotation into small caps. IWM is up
Yep.
almost $3.
Yep. I'm seeing that. I noticed. You notice IWM was red when market was green.
Yep.
All right, I might take my profits here on F. So. Yep. All right, took profits.
Nice. NQ's getting popped back up.
Yep. I'm about I'm gonna long NQ soon if it can tap this 27 area, but if not, I may take light premature longs. I'm watching it still.
Yeah, to me that 70 level on NQ is key for a bounce up, so. I don't know if the stream is showing the count, but you can see we're at 52,277. So we would need this play to hit about 800 bucks.
Oh.
And at the moment I'm targeting about 1,000. So, but really this is about 1,250 since I've been telling you guys 5,800, 5,800, 5,800. So.
All right, I'm about to start my next position.
Is NQ holding? Still having some trouble. I think as long as we get no new lows on NQ, I like it. We get lows on NQ, I'm just gonna take whatever we have and find a re-entry. Just to be safe, because then I don't want NQ to be knifing and then us to get a random 10 point knife on ES and then we're down a lot. So we look good so far. If you look at the 15 minute, it's about to close here in 3 minutes. Look at ES 15 minute, guys. Tell me I'm wrong here. You see what I'm saying? So I think NQ's about to do the same thing. We're just sweeping some lows and then going. So we also want to see something similar on NQ.
Oh my God.
Where we swept the 70 level. Well, this would actually be the 86 of pre-market. And then we wick and hold 86. So we're getting real close to that 86 here. We're 4 points away. And look at ES. ES just went green on the 15 minute. We want
Yeah, I'm gonna buy
We're
up
here
some
at
NQ
86 now on
soon.
NQ, so we just want this continuation. This is actually looking amazing.
Yeah,
I think we hit here.
I'm in some
As long
NQ
as
longs.
NQ holds 86. Just watch it.
I just went long NQ here at 86 actually, which is funny. Trying to see a run up back to highs if we can get it. If we can get it.
So we got a minute. We're still looking for that NQ to hold 86. So if that can hold, that shows promise to us. I did say I was gonna raise my stops. So let's raise them up to 73.5. After this 5-minute closes, if we can see a little bit higher, then I'm gonna raise it to break even.
Lower day is my stop on these longs, so I want to see him step in. ES is running
If
it.
we break this 5-minute previous high from that previous candle, I'm setting my stops to break even. I either want this to happen now or it's not happening. That's why I'm just moving it up quick. It's either happening right now or it's not happening. Whoa, where'd my position go? Hold up.
Did you say where did your position go?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I was about to say, what the fuck? Did I accidentally just close that?
There we go.
Alright, watch that break on ES. Come on, there you go. Alright, I'm setting my stops to break even.
Good shit.
I'll take that as a
Good shit.
nice trade, even if we go down.
I'm in these NQ longs. Don't fail me. Work with me here.
Let's look at the 1 minute here. Yeah, we're looking good here, guys. Let's look at NQ's 15-minute. So our next step here for NQ for continuation, I think SPY is going to be a little bit ahead of NQ if this is going to happen. So we want to see NQ also be pushing with SPY to new highs. This 30 level is going to be really hard for NQ, so we need to see that break and hold with some power here. So we're currently up 250. We need that
Come on,
660
NQ, run.
So whatever that is. This might sound a little crazy, guys, but if you start like blowing on the candlesticks from underneath, it actually pushes the market up.
You're so fucking stupid.
Yeah, if you just start like, it makes it rip. It's crazy.
Can I do that with NQ? Can
You guys can
NQ
help us out
like
here.
do it, please? I just need this thing to run for me.
Oh, dude, I'm so hungover as hell. God damn.
ES is literally acting so much more cleaner than NQ. It's actually crazy to see. Come on, NQ, what you doing? Bro, what is this divergence right now? NQ, pick up the pace. Pick up the pace.
So it looks like NQ's failing again.
Yeah.
ES is actually still trying to make new highs. If NQ nears that lows and we're still up here on ES, I'm gonna raise my stops once again to 78.25. But we might still just be pushing up without NQ, so
Which sucks. Like, come on, NQ.
82. We need at minimum, what do we need? Every 10 points is 500. Every 5 is 250. Plus $2 should be another 50. Or I think $1 is 50, right? Yeah. So $16. 76 plus 16. Quick maths. 92.25. That's what I need. 92.25.
Still holding these longs on NQ.
We really need J to be right here,
Hey,
so we
hey,
can
hey.
get that follow through.
Ay, what are you doing, NQ? This divergence is actually crazy. I ain't seen nothing like it. Come on. You're not gonna just let ES pump alone. I feel like if NQ does pick up the pace here, this is what should give ES the steam to see 6,800. Now, top-down analysis on NQ. This is actually, if this can go, this would be a great example of what I was talking about as far as like, okay, we got the daily 2-up trigger, and now this is NQ's quote-unquote pullback. So, being that the daily trigger happened, I'm technically bullish on NQ as well. So, I want to try and see if buyers step in and run this back up, really, to overnight highs. So, it's kind of what I'm targeting here.
If anyone's looking at my chart, let me see. It actually tells me there's 2 people. If you see this, it might be a little bit easier to watch with let's see if I know what I'm doing here. No, I don't. So there's this like box, right? This previous range right here. So as long as we're not rejecting this 81 level, we're solid. Because we're, I don't know what they call it. We're not making, I guess, lower lows. Is what I'm trying to say. This 81, as of now, the previous candle did it. But we don't want to see a turn down here. And NQ is breaking new lows here soon. So we might, yeah. I think I'm gonna
I think we should
raise my
recover.
stops here soon.
I'm still in my NQ longs.
I just don't know exactly where to put it, because I wouldn't mind a wick under this body and then rip. I know NQ really likes to do that. And it has another level sitting near 31. And look, ES is still going. So if ES isn't going to follow NQ, we're just going to keep trailing it as I see new levels that, okay, if we break here, then yeah, we're probably going to go retest the lows that we just entered, or, you know. We'll keep trailing this as much as we can, unless NQ and ES finally match up together. And then we'll just let it ride.
We should be
I really
getting
think
NQ to pick up
5800.
here soon. Come on, buyers, you should step in.
5800 chat. So I really want I want to see you guys who have like funded accounts or anything, or just send me like, oh, I held to 58. Just hold a runner. Don't hold the full position, because if you lose money, I'm gonna be like, yeah, you're an idiot, bro. I told you to get out at 92.25. You should have cut out with me. But if you hold it, I'll gas you up. This is not financial advice. Please don't sue me. We're up $400 on the good on the good note.
Let me
On
do
the
something
good
real
note.
quick.
How do you say that? Fuck. And I'm supposed to be like studious, man.
Come on, NQ, find your buyers.
450. It looks like NQ is finding buyers, guys. We're going for highs here on ES. 462.
6,800.
462. Hell yeah.
I think
512.
I think
Ooh,
we see
baby.
6,800.
Yo, how many of you guys are in? Put it in the chat. I want to see. Hype me up. What about the people on YouTube?
Nice
Who's in?
pump. Nice pump. Nice pump. Come on, NQ. Run to them fucking
Oh.
highs. Run to them fucking highs.
Don't forget, guys, we need that 25134 on NQ to break. 487.50. We're here at highs on ES.
What is this pullback, NQ? Come on.
6782. Damn.
What happened?
Everyone just started pulling up. Alright, so I think I'm gonna raise these stops once more.
For
Let's
those
just
that
put
just
it
pulled up to the
at-
live, I'm in NQ longs at 86.75. So if you want to grab some light, you still can. I'm using low day as stops here, light stops, because I'm bullish based on the previous day break of the highs. So if you missed Jonathan's ES long, you can still try NQ longs lightly. I'm personally in my longs at 86.75. So slightly red a little bit. I'm just hovering between red and break even. So yeah, that's that on that. But the reasoning I'm in these longs is because we got the previous day break of the previous wick high on a daily frame. So if you look at ES is already doing what it needed to do. It broke above the previous day high, pulled back, as we can see on the 1 hour. We pulled back right in the morning, but then what did it do? It went back and then started doing what it needed to do, which was continue its
29.50 stops.
up, right? So that's what I'm looking for on NQ. I'm looking for NQ to find buyers, although it's lagging, and continue that daily to up. So technically my target on NQ here is 25,179, which is 100 plus points.
Yeah.
I
If you
believe.
guys are in 79.50 stops, raise them up.
So let's see. I'm just now pushing in green here on NQ, but let's see. We'll see. We'll see. That'll be a
15
nice
minutes
move.
gonna close here. Let's see how we're looking. So 15-minute on ES looks solid. We're back at the pre-market highs. So we want to see the next 15-minute hold over this, or it's gonna start getting choppy up here. 15-minute on NQ. NQ, we're still looking for hold over the hundreds, which is that pre-market low before we went into the new day. We're still making we had a previous low. We're making lower lows and lower highs, so we need a break of that. That needs to change. Let's look at the 5 NQ. There
Find
is a
your
possible
buyers.
bear flag on NQ
Hey,
that I'm seeing.
I don't like that language, Jonathan.
Yeah. Let me see. So as long as NQ breaks this 25,100, then we look good. So we're at 600. Remember, I'm gonna be taking out the profits early at 92.50 because that marks the 53K on the challenge account. 5,800. I'm telling you. Once we see 90s, 100s are always easy. So just so you know.
Can we do a dual stream on YouTube or nah? We can't like connect screens, huh?
Unless you're like stealing my charts off of Discord. No, I don't know.
Because that'd be cool. That'd be pretty cool. But good shit, bruh. YouTube ain't ready for us, bro.
12.50.
YouTube is not ready for us. I'm telling you.
Let's see if we could raise the stops a little bit more. Since NQ is still lagging, we can hit these highs and easily reject back down. If we were to see a red candle, this is how I'm following my stops up. If we were to see a red candle, what don't we want it to go under? It's this previous 5-minute candle. So just raise it up. 82. Right? Since NQs is at lows, if it breaks lows, this is a double top. What confirms the double top? If this other candle rips down. don't be afraid to take some profit here. If you have a few cons, this is a pretty good take profit. What is that? 76 to 86. That's a 10-point move so far on ES. That is decent. $87. Come on, we want to see this break on NQ. I don't really want to trade another play. Let's look at the hourly 4 hours so I can show you guys why the bias was what it is today. So first, going into today, I'll give you guys a little, what am I looking for? Yesterday we had that huge sell-off when we made new highs or all-time highs. We were able to recover half of those losses in the morning, right into the next day. And then we saw in pre-market a lot of buying pressure. So we broke the highs again pre-market. And then as we entered pre-market on ES, I noticed that we got a sell-off. And then into the open, we broke those highs again. It's just showing me, if you look at this chart, right, we're just going higher progressively. It's just steps. We're stepping up. So what am I expecting? Another step up.
6,800. And Q is going to give you that move to 6,800. Really 6,825 if we're being real, but 6,800 to keep things flat. 6,805, 09. But NQ is going to do it, because if NQ can do this push here to its highs, not even break out, and ES can hold above 85, you should for sure get your move. Not even 85. If ES can hold above 80 on any pullback, you can for sure get your move to 800.
Yeah. So as of now, if you guys do want some runners, let me just do some fibs, because this is an hourly break. So let's first look at the retracement, make sure this is a 50% fib channel. Is that what it is? No, it's not. Shit. What the fuck is this? Fib retracement from the lows to the highs. It's not 50%. Is this 50%? That is not 50%. Where the fuck are these fibs? I mean, actually, fuck it.
I'm still holding my NQ longs. ES is just out of this fucking bro, out the wazoo.
Let's see how the account's doing. So we're need about $100 more here. Does it show? Can you guys see this account?
Yeah, we can see your account, I believe. Let me see. Let me go to Discord. Yeah, we can see.
Okay. Yeah. So we're just looking for $5,300.
Yeah, ES was very clean, T.
We're pushing it here.
I got no explanation as to why I didn't take it. I literally got no explanation, bro. Like, none whatsoever. I think because NQ was pulling back and ES was still holding its weight, like it wasn't pulling back. So I guess that should have told me to go take ES over NQ. But honestly, seeing ES run like this, okay, it's cool. But knowing that they both triggered the daily 2 ups tells me that, okay, I can still catch some good stuff on NQ. So good stuff with that ES play. I'm still in my NQ longs.
Let me see if, hopefully I didn't reach 5,800. Boom, clap, the sound of my beat
The beat goes on and on and on and on and boom, clap, make it. Come on.
Hell yeah.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
I'm trying to close it correctly, but I'm gonna be closing personally myself. Here, guys.
Let's just hope, bro. For those that are on YouTube, I don't know. People that are on YouTube are probably from the Discord. I don't know, but if they're not, like, yeah, we're gonna really piss off some prop firms, getting people to really pass and get payouts. You know, prop firms are now starting to cancel copy traders, third-party copy traders.
All right, I'm closing it. Boom.
Good shit.
There it is, guys. Oh yeah.
But yeah,
I'm telling you guys, 5,800. If you want to fucking rip it, go for it. I'm
6,800.
I took the fucking, what was it, $825. Just go for it.
NQ. I'm still holding
And I
NQ
totally
longs.
forgot I had a freaking funded account. Holy shit. God damn it. I am up on ES, but fuck, dude, I forgot I had. Oh, I shouldn't have traded hungover, but I hope you guys made some money. Complete fucking A. I did forget. I had more accounts. God damn it.
It's a full fucking house. Holy shit, where'd everybody come from?
Challenge pass. Oh, just took yes. Oh. Holy shit.
Good shit.
What's good, guys? What's good?
A lot of peeps in here.
A lot of
Yeah,
peeps.
What's up, peeps?
swelling up.
Feels like the old days again. Oh my god.
It looks like
Oh my god.
NQ is gonna help it out. I personally just got out here. Like I've been saying, ES 6,800.
There it is. Look at that. Look at that pop. Look at that pop. See, as NQ goes to its overnight highs, it's gonna cause ES to go to 6,800. Run that bitch up. I'm still holding my NQ longs. Run that bitch the fuck up. Please.
You would have been wicked out here if you were just playing that play for $1,000, by the way. If you guys did enter, it'd be dope if you posted it now.
To those that just popped in on the Discord live, did you guys take them NQ longs when I got in? Because I was break even to red on them, so I don't know if anybody followed those NQ longs. I know ES was already running, which is why I said, like, if you missed ES, you could have taken the NQ. So I don't know if anybody took it, but if you did, GG's. If not, here, I'm gonna try and unserver mute. Let's hope. Okay, his mic is muted. Bernie, let's try and get your mic muted. Okay, let's hope. All right.
Yo, guys, just remember this 40 is key on NQ as we approach 40. That's key. So that might be held with 6,800, and then we might receive a little top. So just be careful. Watch both of ES and NQ at the same time. Because 6,800 is going to be a little tough. So watch this 34 as we're going in. Very cool. I see.
It's Abid and Bernie, you guys should talk in the main chat, because if you talk in the live chat, it's just gonna get overshadowed by the track that keeps playing from the music bot. So
Past few days it was just me.
I won't be able to
It's
see your guys' comments.
because they're seeing the profits now a bit.
Well,
They're waiting for the funded account. They're just like, this guy's trading a combine. Of course he can do it.
all the cues. I mean, trading is boring, bro, but like it's fun when there's people around you and you can, share ideas with each other and shit. But this shit is boring, and it's only boring when you have a system. So the excitement that we're showing is because we can flex our knowledge to people.
That shit is boring, bro.
Bro, it's
I just
boring.
try to keep it a little funny.
Thing is,
And
like,
I was always like the class clown, so
I would say
trying to say a few funny things here and there.
trading got a little bit, well, not the trading niche or industry or whatever over the years has gotten more like PC. So it's like, gotta watch what you say or people will cancel you. But
I don't give a fuck,
bro, like, I don't either. I don't either.
It's okay, man. This shit was this trading shit was promised to me very, very long ago.
No, you can come off mute at any point in time and talk. At any point in time. It's just when people have hot mics, I don't want others hearing their conversations or whatever is going on in their background. So I tend to server mute them just so, because they may not know. But yeah, at any point you can come off mute and talk.
You only get 20 seconds though.
I would love NQ to break back above yesterday's close and continue pushing here. It's a little bit stally, but
5,300. Right, I'm gonna stop this right here for the challenge, and let me load up the Thinkorswim.
Options?
No, I'm gonna just load up the chart.
Oh. Damn it. Damn it.
All right, just give me a few seconds here, guys. I'm gonna leave and join back up.
Plug is about to go crazy, y'all. Like, you guys don't even understand. $5 coming soon on Plug. Easy, easy. FCell still had more to go, but for those that are on here, this is not going to make much sense, but those that are on a Discord, this is going to make sense. The way I'm approaching the shares and the reason why it's working so well is literally the same way I'm approaching how I approach trading options. It's the same way how I approach trading futures. It's just safer because you have a lot more time to let the market do its thing. You don't have data going against you and everything like that. So what I like to look for when I'm getting in my shares plays, if anybody wants to try it on their own, because it's not hard. It's really not hard. It's very simple. I'm just waiting for, my stochastic RSI. I'm looking at like a daily and a weekly time frame. Monthly, kinda, but daily and weekly time frame are my sweet spots. I want to see that stochastic RSI in its zero zone. Okay, if it's in a zero zone, it's perfect. And I'll show you an example real quick. I know ES is already running, so let's just put that there. So I'm gonna just pull up Plug or FCell and just show you all what I'm speaking about. So with FCell, the reason why this play ran so well today and it's still running, it's a quick off topic stuff, but the reason why it's still running is because if you see here,
this is the fit.
let me just hide these.
Finally see it.
So if you see here on a daily time frame, and again, you don't need any crazy indicators. It's just this type of setup, right? So on a daily time frame, I'm looking for the stochastic RSI to be like this, okay? The stochastic RSI needs to look like this. If it looks like this, beautiful, perfect. After that, I'm looking for at least price to be sitting in some sort of intraday demand. And in this case, FCell was sitting in like some previous demand, which was a breakout level as well. So I was like, okay, perfect. Now, the last thing I need is for the continuation days on FCell to break above previous day highs, And if we do that, we should continue to push up. So I think we got in around this daily candle here, and then we were catching a nice move up. I believe.
Yo, guys, if you're in those ES plays still, I'm just letting you know. So this is the fib. Right, so from the lows to the highs to this new low here, 100% for this flag breakout is 93.64. So we reached that already for the fib. So that's target 1 has been met. The next target on the fib, since we are at all-time highs, you just fib it and go off of those targets. So you're looking at 6807, 6829, 6864. Does that happen today? Absolutely not. But just in case it does, I am gonna be in the chat saying I fucking told you guys, but it won't happen.
Now
So yeah,
back
if
to
you guys
what
are
I
looking
was
for new
saying.
targets above 6807,
Yo, John, can you hear me or not?
yeah,
All right, because you kind of cut me off while I was talking or explaining my strategy. I didn't know if you realized that, but I'll let you finish though.
Oh,
No, you can finish, and then I'll just go back to explaining it. I think you're explaining your fibs.
Oh.
Yeah, no,
I'm
you
sorry,
can finish.
bro.
No,
Sorry, I
no,
didn't
no.
mean to cut you
You
off.
can finish. You can finish, and then I'll go back to explaining.
No, I'm done. I just wanted to let people know that that fib sits at 67.93. So if you guys are trying to rip it, be careful there. I'm done, Jay. No more cutting off. I think I'm done for the day too, so
Trying to think. Oh yeah, okay. So stochastic RSI is in a 0 zone. You're looking for a demand, and then you want to see the dailies or the weeklies break above the previous day highs, and then that's pretty much all you're doing. And so you're just targeting whatever target's up. So this one, the target was 1015, and then up next we could squeeze big time to the upside, but we got out. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Well, plug not necessarily. Plug is more of on a bigger time frame for me, just because it's squeezing and the flow that's on it. But if I look at this on, I believe, I think it's a 2 month. Yeah, it's a 2 month time frame. Plug on a 2 month time frame is the play that I'm really trying to take. And if I just get rid of these, if you look at it on a 2 month time frame, we are putting in a 2 up. We've broken above a major target here at 330s, so it can kind of push to $4.91 or $5.16, and that's kind of where I'm trying to run it up to and take it to. It can go higher than that. Obviously, it can go to 7, but yeah, that's kind of where I'm taking it up to. And the monthly is beat up. As far as the stochastic RSI, it's in the demand area. This one can really bank us if we play our cards right. But yeah, that's what I was looking at for that. Let's go back to ES now. Still in my NQ longs. We're just sideways right now on NQ. But that was a quick little strategy that you guys can play on equities.
okay.
I think ES still wants to pump. What happened?
I just read what he said from a guy's perspective.
Nah. If I'm drunk, I got stamina. Would you long? Yes, I'm gonna pull back to pre-market high for the 80s again. NQ is lagging. I would wait for 80s, like 85 to 80. I would wait for that retest, and then I would take longs off that, if anything. I still think NQ can still make its move higher. So stream is just lagging right now, okay, yeah, I do believe NQ can still make its move higher, but yeah, I would probably play the retest on the new 30-minute candle if it opens and gets a retest of 85.
I wouldn't play ES long if NQ doesn't break over 115. I think it's still showing some weakness, so you want to see NQ start showing a little bit more strength than it is, and then pullbacks are valid. So I know you said ES, but NQ also might help there. As like a little bit of confirmation. To the upside.
Wait, thank God I ended the stream yesterday because I said if ES ran to highs, somebody has a hot mic.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. So,
Hot mic.
becomes Secretary of Health.
Had to hit the server mute button. Yeah, I remember what I said yesterday, but thank God we didn't run to the highs. We were almost about to do it. Oof. Oof. Thank goodness. That would have been bad for me and my reputation. Still holding NQ longs. It's not really much for me to explain. I know, like, everybody else sounds technical with ICT terminology and everything. I don't know shit about that. I just keep it simple. Yeah, I don't know. I think he probably has headphones in, so when you take them out and put them back in, Discord will unmute your mic for whatever reason. And I don't know why Discord does that. So that's more than likely what's happening when these people are hot micing. So the squeeze on plug is going to be generational. We're already about to make another bag on it. That's actually crazy. Playing this so right. Playing this so right. Be a kind. Pump up already, NQ.
Sure. I am gonna call it a week.
You don't want to.
Here at 8.
You don't want to run some MNQs with me?
No. Trust me, I'm doing good.
I just like.
Last night I had 2 ES on my funded across a few, so yeah, we're chilling.
No. Nah, good shit. Good shit.
I'm a little fucking pissed. I completely forgot I had these accounts this morning though, cause
Your funded accounts?
yeah, dude. But I don't blame it. It was freaking.
Are you trying to stack or are you just trying to run one?
No. So I'm gonna full port one of them on CPI.
He's a madman.
And do my that strat that the guy told me. Makes sense, bro. And if I lose it, I lose it. I don't really care.
Yeah, I mean, the ROI is worth it.
Yeah, $200 for 20. I'm down. It's probably not gonna be 20, but $200 for like 10K.
Even $200 for 5 is still good, bro. Because you remember it's a payout cap if you're with Top Step. But I don't think you're with Top Step just solely with them. But yeah.
5K is great. 5K pays my my bills. And that covers what, 200, 10, 20, 30 combines if I feel a little degenerate.
Five points away from 6,800. NQ should give us a pump soon. Still in my NQ longs.
Dash NQ. Let's see.
Holy shit, bro. The account might hit 7K today. From 5. Nah. Nah. That'd be crazy.
See what RTY is doing. Damn. Is it at all-time highs yet? Is Myers still here? I know he was talking about it.
It's what at all-time
Yeah, I'm
highs
still
yet.
here. I'm still here.
Did you hit this?
Yes, sir.
Nice. The RTY. Alright, guys. I'll be hopping off here at 8. If you guys don't have any questions for me, thank you for coming. I'll see you guys on Monday. Jay, make sure you bank, man. I don't want to see anything less than 5 figures.
I'll try.
Okay, putting the pressure on.
I'll try. If NQ can, give me this.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven, get some Pedialyte, and then any swing trades. Very busy with work, can't do much else. I'll look around. Shit. I'll actually find one for you right now.
I should be playing equities.
Look at this fucking dude. I should have held it like a month or 2 out. I don't know why I grabbed 2 weeks. Hood, Roblox. This is all that you should be looking at. Go to IWM holdings, top fucking 30 holdings of IWM, and just go down the list. Find a play that you really like, and then send that one. Hey, Fern.
Is Frost on a stream or no?
Oh. Fuck. Oops. Alright, I'll see you guys. Laters.
All right. my god, NQ. NQ is just lagging here. Still in them logs, but we're lagging. Holding my long positions, ladies and gents. Still holding my longs. Once I exit these longs, I'm done for the session. I am done. I don't give a fuck about double dipping. I don't care about none of that. None of that. No, thank you. Just want to monitor my plug play, honestly. And just relax. It's Friday. We took 1K from F-Cell. Now we're about to take 1K from Plug. This is disgusting work. Disgusting work. I know there's another one that I want to play too. We're at 500 already on Plug, which is crazy. Market is on some crack today. goes NQ being a little lagger. Just run these highs, NQ. Come tag them. I'll even be out at 164. Still 84. What's 86 plus 86? Almost 100 points. Still holding my NQ longs. Still holding them longs. Tell NQ to run those damn highs. Can't be hard to get this thing to push already. Come on. Give me the push. Still in my NQ longs. I just needed to run up already because I'm getting tired of watching it. Might just exit for the profit that we have now. Somebody has a hot mic yet again. Who's saying you have a hot mic? Come on, get me there. $164 is my target. I'll be out. It's close. longs are up nicely. Going to be out soon. Whoa, is there news or something? Come on. Thank you's almost there. Almost there to target. I'm gonna be moving my stop losses soon. Like, look at how they're just, oh my goodness, it's so nasty. I think I may exit here. I might take my profits. I may take my profits soon. If we don't break back above previous 5-minute candle or this previous 1-minute candle here, if we break down and putting a 2 down, I'm gonna get out. Out. I'm out. I'm all out. Taking my profits. It's all good. We caught a nice little pump. So let me get a picture of that. Okay. I'll see you guys next week. This can probably still run, but I'm over it. I'm done with it. Easy longs, nice longs. All right, y'all. Take care. Is it Friday before I say that? Yes, have an amazing weekend. Stay safe, stay blessed. I will see you all next week.